Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb. We are back with Red Racing Industries. This episode, we're hitting episode 22 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. So previously, we just got done doing Lake Louise, all of it. So I do have to switch my tires out because we still got the snows on. Now, we're going to go ahead, hop right in, and see where today takes us. Hop into this episode. It's episode 22 of racing every single track and every single car. It's out of Gran Turismo 7. So we're going to be diving right in. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to some racing softs. We'll head over to that. Since we're not going for long distance, we can at least pick up that traction. I've got a gift to get. So we're going to go over to World Circuits and work on this one here. So back to the Americas. So last we did Lake Louise. We've already done Colorado Springs as well, if I'm not mistaken. Let me double check. Yeah, we've done everything there, and that's all dirt. So we're going to go to the Trial Mountain Circuit. Go ahead and hop in. Let's do full course, because then we got reverse. And ooh, dawn is pretty. Let's go for some sunrise, though. That ought to do us some good. Here we go. So, over the past almost week, I've been doing a lot of training, a lot of practicing outside of recording. And at some point, I might post that. We'll see. I might start recording it. I don't know yet. It starts off being awful. But I have turned down the engine sound a lot. Because I've turned up the tire squeal so I can get a better feel and listen for if I'm breaking traction or not. Now, of course, we're on racing sauce, so it's not going to hurt us too bad in this. But you should be able to hear some of that tire squeal. I've turned the engine sounds down for other cars. So far so good. I gotta say my practicing has been doing some good to keep us from running into the walls. I just gotta stay to it, stay to what practicing I've been doing. Not that kind of practice, not the ramming kind. Getting super close. But so far everything feels good. We're still running with the Type R. I'm getting close to 45,000 miles on her. Oh, it's most amount of miles I've put on a car that I've owned, technically speaking. I just tend to swap out cars too often. I really like the Type R now. But as far as other cars go, I did go check out a Toyota Supra finally. Took some time to get out to the dealership. But I don't like the method of how they do things. Now, I think they were going to make an exception for me, but I sat in it. Didn't like the steering wheel. I was trying to fall in love with it. Couldn't. Maybe at a later date. Maybe if they redesigned the Supra. But for now, the way it is, I don't like the new MK5. Took that one a little short, but we cut off the F50. We got a gap of 8.2, 8.3. Oh, that's increasing. We're just trying to get better, get every track under our belt, so and so forth. There we go. We're passing them up. Ooh, there goes the ZR1. Ooh. Okay, well, I was able to fix that a little bit. But the gap between us and P1 has increased a lot. Let's see if we can't drop that gap. Now, in previous videos, if you've seen already, I do want to note take that I've been going out to Music City Kartplex, checking out the karts, doing some karting, stuff like that. So far, I've done 5 races there. Boy, does it get expensive. So I need y'all's help. Just watch my videos, subscribe, like, it helps me out. I do appreciate it. I don't want to do the whole cringy thing if I don't have to. You know, like and subscribe, guys. Not my thing. Anyway, I do appreciate any support that y'all do offer, and I am actively looking for sponsors. So I've been reaching out to those. So if you have any recommendations of who to reach out to, I'll reach out to them. Or if you've got any connections, I would appreciate it, because that'll definitely help me. And hard work is not one thing that I'm pretty seasoned with hard work and dedication. Now, we've been at this pretty solid on for a little over 45 days. We've been back into it really hard, trying to hit it every single day. I just got back from vacation, so obviously there are days that I'm gonna miss hopping on the sim, but I do try to make up for it by having a video post every single day. I wasn't able to pass P1 here, but any support you have, I do appreciate it. And if you need some how-to content on how-to videos on your vehicles, mainly GMCs and Buicks, I've done a couple others like Porsches, Chevrolets, stuff like that. Do go check out my other channel, Caleb Red Official, and I'll try and at least want to shout out my channels on each channel as much as I can. I'm going to start working on that. But I do appreciate any support. I hope y'all are having a great day. As of the making of this video, we've got a whole 54 subs, so I do appreciate it. However, that ends this episode. Go ahead and watch the outro, whatever you want to call it, and I'll see y'all on the next video.